Yeti encourage some near futu some where we the address one ye bedroom so Cassian some more betiano peno ABNS Institute of ICT which you or yen churches from Consabia one more peso Suyan San Jumano obehuno esom faso sanso team mantem no ko no mo a dum judgment ko ho mo mpanifo chi mo se de jahwere nkrama no homere so e won to asosu ko ahudo mo ne ha dwen pa na wo ko afutu nso akwaye dotto ba ko da wa beto dwa se de fulani fo na mu odu ba bia no asoja no anu aduane no agya ne ho hyehye kwaye no nnua e wo mu nyina ma e ha dwen pa school placement no mpanifo bi em se obetima self placement ama wo ba no na watch mu ne abatan bi still no awe near to aka won some way and then someone who do be am there so mo say bedwam so kase bo share so see them live over Facebook no YouTube DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 178 and some pel benya bi na wa share na me amaking kan ma wo no wo hia me a eya frɛ me anoche wa ba atwa say wa fenche mo no me de to so ma Institute of ICT Professionals Ghana emumpedin for den sebo ahodo atudwa no wo say womo ye first ron kokra we ye dwa na wobo ya wono mo asuansa no dwuma na wafira asianso tire bia ne nemo ye de ama womo so e bia ya de kase ye to my Ghana ya hwete womo sika ma sese no wo pa wonto ma wo hu asene wo ne nyina sa afa yi wo bepiem wo hono mo achese nchechres ron ko na womo ye sabe yo bia wa fansa no dwuma tete amanfo na so wo ye didi bia no obehu mfa so de ya e wo so executive director EDEMA Institute of Professionals Ghana David Gowu na woni Adom kasia twetwe nkomo sei.
So it's a good platform. Now our young entrepreneurs must deploy technology in their business, and we are here as Institute of ICT Professionals to support them, to give them guidance, to give them mentors that can help them to do that. Moreover, we also think that government needs to support them. I know government has some initiatives, but we need more support. Create technology parks where they can come, have their laptops, and be able to work. That can help them, develop their ideas into businesses.
Enwechi and the Director General ya the National Information Technology Agency ano Ura Richard Ochefusu editu just say abanye de betimi bia sebe ya obetete emabunu no ewo abefu dwumedi eso ogidi ye say sa kwan no so betimi aboa amabunu no anya dwuma aye.
And then also offer internships. All right, we run the government ICT infrastructure, the National Data Center, where we are putting in public cloud service. So if you're an entrepreneur and you don't have money to go and buy servers and the capital expenditure that it involves for you to be able to set up, you can come and rent space like compute and storage from the National Data Center, and you'll be able to get going.
Yanko oti mantem no emu adwumekwa ya pass wo hwedum gya ho nsem so no wo mu chemu ase de jahurumhura ma no homene so oti mantem mo afi mu no e ha adwen pa de senti wakeka wo ho abom ne ku ya wo frɛ wo ho certified electrical wiring professional association wo mu tumi aye nchechre sonko ama ye abanjuma yefo a wo ye adwuma wire sabia hodo mu na afi so adesuafo ne achechefo won won to asosu kwa hodo wo oti mantem mu na adom kase ene ACFO2 Prince Billy Anaglate ono ko oti mantem ne mu a wo ye dum jadwumako no sahene twetwe nkomo sei.
Their eyes to be able to identify a looming hazard within their premises, to be able to monitor the activities of others in whatever they are doing. That could be dangerous or could cause fire within there. Then they will be able to have mitigating facilities to prevent those fires that occur. We have also gone in to give them evacuation procedures that in case there is fire in there, somebody should assist those other people that could not get evacuated on their own. That is why we're giving those skills to them and to give them the firefighting skill.
Odi to just say, enam so wo mo pese ejahyehyɛ ebrase e wo mpatemu ho no wo de nkyerɛkyerɛ ama mpenifo e wo ayaresabea ene ekuo ahodo a e wo mpatemu ho no sene wo de bekuatia ejahyehyɛ e wo mpatemu ho.
Fighting fire with an extinguisher, if you don't try your hands on it, when the real fire is not there, when the real fire comes, you will not be able to gather the confidence, the impetus, and the basic knowledge that you need to be able to use it and use it properly. You might have a very good fire extinguisher, but when it's not properly handled, then you might not be able to extinguish the fire. That could also jeopardize whatever situation that you are in.
Ho na yenko efutu no man na wo efutu nani gate ya wotoso enso wapao eye afimpiri ne aduonu miensa aboakyer afahye no ho ntoma na ba ne sa ya na amrante wo krom otisi kwayedoto mu na akwakyere aboato konkon no wode na ba no odidi aboakyer afahye no na wabra opa ho ntoma no ena nanyi gate watosunsun den samutu dwase wo se de fulanifo wo mo atiesi efutu kwayedoto ampanifo di gyanchirima no na wo se no no a hadwen pa wo so bekum kwabrane na mo a komode no anu asoja Obo pesie de wi obi agya no wonu mu no bo hu gyadem na kwaye ne fa baabi ehye nti wodi adesrede atompanimfo nyina nim se wonhwe na saade no wonhwe won ho hwe ho
otika epowi a ya kokko hwehwe aboate befiem enkrofo ahihye ho nantwi anantuma manum ayeho ma onse fata pode yaba felepo tree planting na oda yekodo ye ya na hono okono ndadu yesrede ayam sutansu bikin suntawa da su ana weche yewusi na hapawe da su no otono to yiya yimedi bia yi di obeyi
Osanso editor ne manfo anim se ansa na afahye ne beba ebra afahye ne bekoso ene afahye ne wie nyina no de wopa eya asomdwie enti omanfo emoa no
biara o ma fa ode wo yi biara no wo ya wo yi ni yi na ofa apriye na ma yemfa etim na aka biara mba dwumeti ne mu mo be ya afahye no obe fe obe yi obi aso baba kuma so wenya neji na ojasana
enkwa asante mantema henko kuma simu na ukopiem okrofo mu a lorry station baako ewo ho na wo mo omolodi free kuma se kobolga boko Congo emo na chese wodi se adwuma na wotremu a sade omanfo bi tete kwa ho sesa omanfo a wode wo mutu kwan ko bia ya wo mo ati station na nko lodi di akono ama wo mu dwa aye basa betima kosim fra no pa na se wonya load kwa na se bi wo movie na wode akwa kosi omanfo sanse nkrofo ginagina kwa ho bo wawa e de ko sampotem ho no na Adom kase ebo ne homoden ne opanyina wono no ye GPRTU Krofrom branch no titinani Alhaji Siaka Yaha etwetwe nkombo na opanyi ya kyerese kwafro hyan bi egina kwa ho se be wiase bonso mo ba na o mani atutu akọ mo nsem na se do ne Adom kase etwetwe nkombo ne
yaka bolga boku a Krofrom main station pa enso ne pare sam se ejuma na kofom enam se station bebri am obie station bebri sama ejuma na style
ejuma no bebri traverse phone bebri a tina kwan na no amoload amodo kwashrem ana srem so bebi bebri wa ha mo nduru bibi anipa ne ko nipa ne bibi to na ne to be nipa ne wo ane ka ne gina ko no fa nipa no okokunu ko ye de ye hunu
load no mo load wa ma affect ya because e krom for timi ba wasim no ma fa mo sa kwasi wo kwan mo na mo bresa
GPRTU Krofrom branch chairman Alhaji Siaka Yahaya edi tudwa se wo mutu ho anamon bebre edi afasa nsem yu nanso no bibia empiemfiri mu emaye
station kosire 3 na 3 northern region eyi wo mu nyina se yemra Krofrom esire babi opese okobia oba ha ka ohwa de wo ko okuro mafiri so amra na mouth okọ kayeti ho nyina e de ka sisi kwan ho ene elodo ka ho asem aka ene patrocial ho nyina yesreshi Ghana mra so nche se yemfa ka no ensi patrocial nlodu bise yo no bisi besi wona sa pasen afọ bata ne ma egu a de na beba aso pa ifo okuro no bu ye ni egu so ene ba bi obi ape bia na odi ka asi
free brabi si adusuafo no empanifo kire schools ahodo a wonko na bi wono mo a nyaade se wonya school ya wope ebi nsusu enya school ni bi kra timpanifo te bia ya wasa abatan ne wo makohie mu na sa oba na enya school ni bi a wo mo tumi a replacement no amaw na mpanifo te sa bia ye no na wotwe mu nie ene amane bofo kojumensa abrampa sa kopie mu bi sasa nya bia no abatan ne wono mo ema aba ho no mo no se na tie mu ahwehwan anasa store no aja etuato no koye no na wone ye deputy national coordinator de Free SHS secretariat no na Africa mensa twetwenko na na kyerese enkwada no bebre mpim nsia na wahawa wode aba no mpanifo ahwe aso ano
the banye school Cape Coast o choose boarding you did not today no emboa no owo Accra obesi de twakwan akọ de bi aba
we in school now fire so on pe ana de ba na mo se yen tro schools mi ensa na omo nhwe mai afi last week Friday aba sa oba kobla sa
omo si mi san ko na yen ko check it up to Sunday. We don't know what is going say school no omo ko school no say won ko sun ade ajaye ma no
ya ba ha Monday no omo ka che say yen pretty results no na yen tro BBC change of residence from day to boarding and yeah up to now yen ti omo
no de say ne omo ya ade no de enso eni che say nkoda no tro boarding kwa ente ba no sansa day nkwa na ede man nkoda no enu na ye challenges aye
Enwechi Deputy National Coordinator ya oda Free SHS Secretariat no ano ana Africa Mensa editor Adom kase enim se oha obe se impemu nsia wode beto wani mu no sisi wetimi aso ano ama wo mu a osu se aboaye pa
number no e was pa but sisi ano hwa number no eso at na no kire se ye ejuma 6,000 plus most of them so issues are ya resolve amom nti ensheda nye issue ekret I most of the cases no amom but some more expect say ye be frɛ wo mo asa na o ma check and I say adwuma no so doors ye frɛ but e bia na nya ndu so nti mesre say what the issue by resolution center na ye frɛ wa men san ma ha resolution center solution center have been ba kona ko check na hwɛ se bia ya na say ye nye
nsa wa madreji marche bedwani Frank Anodom preche mu a adisuafo ewo na mpote mu hono mu a wo mo chro BC social results ne baaye no wo mu anya 617 and 8 musa no wabo wo mo aba so stronko kranti adisuafo makomako eduason nsia 76 and anya sa abasobodie ebi anya laptops afi akade ahodo a wodisua de yeye wo se we ne bebo ama nchirima wo mo kocho BC so na yire wo ho asua de sanse so wontirim se otwa no wotwa yi a ne mrahye bedwani ebebo na baso
the results do not show up immediately. It takes a while. Me can't share again. Me can't share the many teachers at WAHALA. And also I cannot forget a number of educational directors at ABOAKYER as I papa into Eba.
Ni okpoti akron otosumienu ene ye wo hino wonto aso traditional area no bepi mo dwumedi na se ene wodi tu dwase e wosa ba efo dwumedi ho nkyerɛkyerɛ no akyerɛkyerɛfo ti manitumi adesuafo ipa se be yi a obetimi ehunu su yi.
Education is truly the key to creating sustainable development and ensuring that there's progress in our beloved country. Education is indeed the medium to unlock your full potential and equip you with the relevant tools to succeed in order to contribute positively to our dear society.
Krakra na mama Doris apia dan kwa yo bepiem e wodwumedi na se enso edin sema wudo bi etudwa.
Let us support these young ones with our prayers and our resources. These are our future leaders. I am therefore entreating you, especially the parents, to work hard to provide their immediate needs so that they will have a smooth journey through their secondary education.
Everyone when I call my Ghana ye marche bedwafie na e wo mai mu ana o manfo bi sori yes oba na oba enemu enhyiamu de bema ne bema empemu nkita hode oba na aboa de LGBTQI+ honsem o manfo bi ye wadwen se wo sori na marche bedwa no sabre no na Sam George gigina mu ene mpanimfo ahodo bi de krata akodan marche bedwa no se yenhya ho brakete se wo apese LGBTQI+ wudi ho nkombo wudi ho dwa wudi ho gimu bie no ewesemra no ene wudi na ene ya beto dwa se attorney general no na kachi ne kopie sisi won wo de memu aba ya wo kire se de entoto yesi kona ka krab na se adwuma no asi na Adom kase ene Sam George wono na akọ marche bedwa ma waje agina mu pa se LGBT wonsem yan soso wo mai mu achichenkomo
to do with marriages. The Attorney General references in his memo the Marriages Act Cap 127, the Marriages Act of 1884 to 1985, where he says that in there the Marriage Act recognizes marriage as a union between a husband and a wife. But he felt that in giving today's nuances, it was important that we had a new legislation that deepened it and made it clear that marriage can only be between a man and a woman as husband and wife, not between two men as husband and wife. And so again, he thought that our bill was a welcome news.
Chairman Edema Committee on Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Kwame Ayumadu Entry, and so Edin Simpson Netudra.
Aegis a lawyer, Fenia or Te or my more original or my buying. Into no buy no behemra, I woman. Or make us say a bind say, and answer a bind say, or can cross say, and you know, all man is strictly legal Adom. Now, me say, Obia. Or a member of the committee and now a sponsor no be going to say apano nema obekano or a very objective. They are unconstitutional or tray. Reason they are unconstitutional or tray.
NDC Mebunu Dombia Warme Watermelon North I Central for Shiamunage Bedian was no what the Cocobo more day Aquama NDC phobia warm watermelon North was say one of my wadges NDC among your corner be what 1-2% ujina na okopre mrashibe na bakofa forms. Why wadwins one opinion Hassan Suhini, Equa Kujina Copren was will be answering opinion, or you'll be a said you friend of ya, or friend and Naju, in Sumo, Wiano, or Conintia will be any promo opinion Saturday and Yasua, and this will be a cocotununti, opinion Al Hassan Suhini, dear, Nyades of Makai Mubia, and then a quacopre de Bra OCCA.
I, Honorable Alhaji Mohammed Awal, on behalf of the concerned constituents, wish to send a strong signal to whoever that may be coming to contest Honorable Alhaji Suyini in this upcoming primary to advise themselves. We do not want any disruptions at all. We have not had enough of our workaholic MP yet. So whoever is thinking of contesting him should stay away to avoid being disgraced and disappointed.
Ura kasa yemu ene wakato aso se enmahebedwani obokwan ato hono mu a wono de woboa wono mu a woni bie ebusua ene ankurankura ebere bia wono mko ne nan so no ofiri ni pemu eboa wo mo ne senti ehu behia se wono besan ato abanama ne biom ama na gina wono mu anemu ewo enmahebedwamu.
He has been supporting needy families and individuals on daily basis. Incredible! We must also let the world know that our honorable member of parliament, Honorable Alhaji Alasan Sahib Suyini Wumpin Lewura, has been very accessible to all constituents. He visited the constituency almost every week. During his visits, he interacts with youth groups, community leaders, students, etc., etc. He attends.
Opanyina wono ena woye kofa bai sa ye banodani ma APC amanyoko na Hassan ayaregachi mu a free send this amanyoko mpanimfo de krata babonti a watches will be mato wa pese wo fa krata be pre franka tuni adwa na se mrase be adwa no ekwan da hoya wote se mpanimfo bi akofa krata de mama mpanyida da John Dramani Mahama His Excellency no wo busasa no panyini ede ye no wo pre ede ye biem no wo pe kwa be dia wokro no kiremu a wiase ama ahodo so animu kura no panyini nyade so wodi mpa that Genesis will baby two future Ghana for any semeba na economy na yebisi basama na gina yi ama Ghana for any system no any.
John Mahama, if he comes back to run in 2024 and in an unlikelihood he becomes president, he will go down history as the worst president of the Republic of Ghana. President Mahama comes back, for instance. Many of the businessmen and international community are not seeing anything new. They are also seeing a reshuffle again. Because Mahama has been there before and he's not coming. They know there's nothing he's going to change.
Wani amani boni enkomo twetwemu en woda na die se wono de wo wogidie eni arehwemu se wono nko a na woye animfoforo a wobetumi aboa oman ama amanya hodo a wono mbepese wodi sika ba be hye oman mu no wobehwe no so ede aba.
Hassan Ayerega comes. Now the whole world would say, oh, the Ghana has gotten a new young leader from a different political party, not the traditional NDC and MPP. Let's support him. Businessmen will now have confidence. Let's help this gentleman. It's like Macron when he came. Companies around the world will now begin to have trust and hope in my government.
Yakasi abokro ya so ena yedi tu dwase so kopie mu ya akro career saribidi akwa SHS girls hostel no hedan ni wura e de credo changire ncha kotu ni nyina de se mensi no assembly di ne ka wo mo beje dan se ma nkoda ne ntinem na evie kakra ne nya de se wo matua sika wo se wo de ema no ntina aya homete sempa na free bra yenu abe ma Isaac no me no e de nsam tu dwa obejam kro ya so no opanyini ba ko ya wo da realistic printing and publishing no Edward danso for jua tam se sika no a opanyini kire se mansi no assembly de ne kada kotua se adesuafo no enkwatena dan ne mu nkodam no ntimi nsua de na dache o meye mpanipa
nze ti asem no wo FM so no na ye nyina ya aboto san se school ni ye nyina ya kobida nti ema kan akoma ma me ne medumamfo awendwen ho ne me ho kafo de ba ne se o si yi bibi e de boa san se hwe ma school fo a sebi o makra ma wofo aba na ye be to dan a mo dam abonten da no me ma da bida nim de waste nti me ye no wakomam se de be ya e be boa ama ye nhweso de minim se bi mo so afofrote a mo so be ba abeboa san se aban no ko anti me nya bibia ankonkosi tabi obi akura kakra e de boa e be
ye ne headmaster ani adesiafo bi so won school yi mu so eni nkomo
Boti radio say asare bidi akon ofrewa no abeclock edan no ite kana kuma so on trans em ofrewa ebeclock dan no it is a kabia din no but ofrewa can say the 6,000 it got 6,000 na bray e do come ofrewa no
tisentimu ko tue ofrewa aka
oh sure you are going to pay the landlord no twist about that and now I be tuanka
how ni bibiom ne sen
how ni bibiom say what other hostels e wo no say dey on car and so one threatening so seriously but ka ba Adom be we get fan project no ya maye na ka ye ni budget pa
ye janan bia no na ye be srado for say omombran be boye nta ne be ya sabi o ye ko janan a obi bere embe hu ya deja dada mas asida kese nson koma Adom TV enyo mo a ka meni menye sure say nka obi be boye
enye no nso nko a ma de chekwa na ye be school a ye ni nje fi say ye ba nkonya yetena so class no enso ma ye ti aya na ye bre panti ye sle aban say omwa ye na adofo mo abonten so emwa ye da masibe bi